This case considered the issue of the administration of solvent estates, and whether or not directions in a will had displaced the statutory order for the application of assets and the payment of debts and expenses in relation to a lapsed share of the residuary of an estate. In this case, a woman made a will which provided that her expenses were to be paid prior to paying certain legacies, and then the residue of her estate was to be divided into 4 equal shares. One of these equal shares lapsed, and the issue before the court was whether or not this share of the residuary was to bear the woman's debts and expenses. The next of kin who were to receive this share of the residuary argued that the woman had shown an intention to prescribe her own order of application of assets, and that therefore the statutory order was displaced. The beneficiaries of the residuary of the estate argued that the woman had not made her intention clear, and that therefore the statutory order should apply, and that the statutory order stipulated that the first class to be resorted to for payment was lapsed gifts. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the woman had displaced the statutory order by her directions in the will. The court ultimately held